हे यू गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब? बहुत टाइम से ना मुझे ऐसा फील हो रहा था कि मेरी स्किन डल हो रही है, माय स्किन इज़ नॉट ग्लोइंग, ब्राइट नहीं दिखती है मेरी स्किन, ब्लेमिशेस आ गए हैं, डार्क स्पॉट्स हैं। ये जो स्किन कंसर्न है ना, ठीक करना है इसे। आई हैव ट्राइड मैनी इंग्रेडिएंट विद डिफरेंट ट्रेंडिंग इंग्रेडिएंट्स बट नथिंग वर्कड. While doing some research a while ago, I came across an interesting ingredient called glycolic acid, which is used by dermatologists across the world for anti-spots and brightening treatment. Glycolic acid एक ऐसा ingredient है जो actual ना आपकी skin के ऊपर blemishes के ऊपर काम करता है. Glycolic acid एक powerful skin care ingredient है, इसलिए क्योंकि it belongs to a family of molecules which is alpha hydroxy acid, and it is the smallest and the lightest molecule in this family. एंड ये दो तरह से काम करता है आपके स्किन के ऊपर. फर्स्ट इज कि ये डीपली पेनिट्रेट करता है आपकी स्किन पे एंड मेलेनिन रिमूव करता है, जो एक्स्ट्रा मेलेनिन बिल्डअप हुआ होता है सेल बाय रिड्यूसिंग डार्क स्पॉट्स. एंड सेकेंड इज इट ऑल्सो वर्क्स ऑन द सर्फेस बाय रिमूविंग डेड स्किन सेल्स, रिमूविंग ब्राइट एंड बीमिंग स्किन. I always wanted to try out the ingredient as I was facing dullness and dark spots but was unable to find the right product in the market. But now I have the perfect solution as L'Oreal Paris has launched the Glycolic Bright range, and I am very excited to try that out. Not only for the ingredient but also because L'Oreal Paris is the most trusted international brand with science-based products. This range has a cleanser, serum, day cream and night cream. But in today's video, I will talk in detail about the Glycolic Bright Serum. First of all, I really want to say that I absolutely love the packaging. It looks so clean and classy with the two-toned effect, and the serum smells heavenly. And if I talk about the texture of the serum, it feels very lightweight, non-sticky and absorb quickly into the skin. This product claims that it reduces 5 years of dark spots in 2 weeks to reveal brighter skin. So I've been testing this serum for about 2 weeks now, and I have noticed a visible reduction in my dark spot, and skin is also looking brighter and brighter. It is validated by the L'Oreal Paris International Council of Dermatologists, which has leading dermatologists from all over the world. With that, it has 1% glycolic acid and is completely safe and suitable for home and daily usage. It is clinically, consumer and dermatologically tested. अब मैं आपको इसका एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस दिखाती हूँ, इसे कैसे यूज करना है और ये कैसे मैजिक की तरह वर्क करता है. सबसे पहले मैंने अपने फेस को क्लेंजर से वॉश कर लिया है एंड ड्रॉपर की हेल्प से सीरम डायरेक्टली अपने स्किन पे अप्लाई करूंगी. मसाज करूंगी सर्कुलर मोशन में या क्राउनिंग मोशन में. ऑल्सो डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट रिकमेंड्स इफ यू आर अप्लाइंग ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड इन द मॉर्निंग, आपको सनस्क्रीन ज़रूर अप्लाई करना चाहिए बिफोर स्टेपिंग आउट. After the serum, you can apply the day cream. Also, dermatologists recommend if you are applying glycolic acid in the morning, आपको sunscreen ज़रूर apply करना चाहिए before stepping out. After the serum, you can apply the day cream, which has SPF 17. Just gently massage into your skin and done. And look at my skin. It's looking healthier and brighter. I have noticed a marked difference in my dark spots. I will continue to use it because dark spots are formed every day on your skin due to exposure to UV rays and hormonal changes as we grow older. So guys, if you need an expert solution जो dark spot dullness को reduce करने के लिए चाहिए, तो आप ज़रूर try करिए ये L'Oreal का newly launched glycolic acid range. This range is enriched with glycolic acid and it is great if you are looking for an expert product for dark spots and dullness. It removes 5 years of dark spots in 2 weeks to reveal brighter skin, and I have myself seen a huge improvement in my skin over the last 2 weeks or so. The serum 15 ml is only for rupees 399 and 30 ml pack is for 749 rupees, which is very affordable for a daily use product with glycolic acid. Rest of the prices are mentioned in the description box, and would highly recommend this range as you have found your dermat for dark spots. I'm gonna give you the links in the description box below, so definitely check that. Hope this video was helpful. Do try this new skincare range and let me know in the comment section below how did you like it. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.